going to talk to you a little bit about the presentations you're giving in a few weeks about the explorer that you've been doing research on recently. Within these presentations, you're going to have to talk about the country that your explorer was from, the different explorations they went on and any findings that they had, along with any other pertinent information that you're able to find. When you're giving your presentation, you're going to have to pull up on the Promethean board a map of the world, so that way you're able to pinpoint the exact country where the person came from, as well as to outline the different routes that they took on their explorations. While you're drawing the routes in the country, that's when you're going to be explaining each of those in detail, but you're going to be using the Promethean board as just a visual piece to that. And that's what I'm going to be going over with you today, how to pull up the map and how to label the maps accordingly. As mentioned previously, you're going to be pulling up a map of the world in order to highlight the location where your explorer is from, as well as to show the routes that they took on their various trips. In order to do this, to start off, you need a world map on the background. You're going to want to go to Insert, and then Background. And then from Library. As you'll notice, the library has many different things, including basic backgrounds, fine arts, the different subjects. What you're looking for here is under Maps. Under Maps, you want to scroll down until you find a world map. These maps are typically located at the bottom of the map section. When you find the map, simply just click on it and drag it over. Once you're done with that, you need to be on your writing tool, which is the tool on the side that looks like a pencil. You click on that, and then you're able to write on the board. The first thing you want to talk about when you're talking about your explorer is where they're from. So say you had an explorer from Spain. You would want to circle Spain on the map and then label it for the class to see. As you continue talking about your explorer, you're going to move into the different exploration trips that they took over time. While you're talking about these trips, it would be beneficial to show the routes that they went so other members of the class can see exactly where they were going. If they were going to North America, or if they were going down around Africa, you can just utilize this to showcase exactly where they went. Also, as you're drawing these, talk a lot about the trips, what they found, what the purpose was, how many people went on it, what year the trip happened in. Any of this information that you want to write down, you're more than welcome to write dates and other information on the board as you're talking. Now, if you mess up as you're talking, feel free to use this erasing tool. You go to the eraser picture on the side and you click on it. Then to erase, you simply just move the mouse up and down and erase what you don't want there any longer. So those are just a few of the basic features that we're going to be using in this presentation. Are there any questions?